What's up, baby birds? It's Model Monday, and the model today is this little feather. So let's take a look at the different parts of a feather. So the feather sort of has this rigid structure moving up it, and we can see this point here. This is the point that's going to basically like attach to the bird. This point here is known as the quill, or what some people refer to the calamus, and then it continues as the rigid structure up through the feather. Now, when it gets to this point here, it's known as the shaft, or what some people will call the rachis. And each side of the rachis, or the shaft, this whole thing is known as a vein. Now, these feathers, portions down here, this is known as the sort of down barbs, because each one of these little projections that comes off, that's known as a barb. So these down here are known as the down barbs, because they're actually going to face downwards. Right? And then these here are going to be sort of the after feather. And then this whole structure here, this is known as a vein. So you have a vein on this side, you have a vein on this side, and then each one of these projections that comes out this way is known as a barb. But what keeps these things together? So if I flick this feather like this, notice that it sort of stays together. Well, each one of these projections, these barbs, has little sort of side shoots off of it called barbules. And then each one of those barbules that comes off of it actually has another projection coming off of it known as hooklets. And those sort of intertwine like this, right? And they hook together and they keep that feather together. Take a look at it. All right, so here we can see, right, here's the rachis, and then here we have the barbs coming out, and you can see the little barbules coming off of it. Right? But if we zoom in, here's that individual barb. That's going to be the portion that comes off of the rachis. And then you have the barbule coming off of that. And then see there's these tiny little projections that come off the barbule. And those are the hooklets. So that's actually what allows the feather to stay together. There you know. Later.